I want to talk to you about how to open a TD business account this year. So here are the considerations I want you to pay attention to. First of all, you got to choose your business checking account. The thing is that TD Bank actually has a series of business bank accounts, so you want to make sure that you have the proper account that you want to open, and that's why we actually advise a lot of our clients to actually go to a Lily brick and mortar account to actually open an account. Don't open online unless you have exactly which account you want to open. Okay, so first of all, when we talk about choosing your business checking account, you have all kinds of account names. So you have a TD Business Premier Checking, TD Convenience Checking Plus, you have TD Complete as TD Simple Checking, and you also have a TD Business Interest Checking Plus. So you have a 4 primary business checking accounts. I'll walk you through all the 4 of them. So when we talk about the TD Business Premier Checking, basically this is the business checking account that rewards your TD Bank relationship, and basically with the most perks of any TD small business checking account, discounts on services, free unlimited money orders, and official checks, and more. So that's kind of cool. You have a lot of perks, and there is no monthly fee for up to 3 additional accounts, including TD Small Business Money Market Plus, and up to 2 TD Business Simple checking accounts. So I'm still showing you the features that you have within TD Business Premier Checking, and you also have no TD fees at non-TD ATMs. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So what you really get with this account is a lot. So you have the most perks of any TD small business checking account. You have a variety of ways to waive the monthly fee. So monthly fee is waived for the first 3 statement cycles. After that, you want to combine balances from your business deposits and a TD personal accounts to meet the 40,000 minimum daily balance requirements, or actively use a TD Merchant Solutions, TD Digital Express, or TD Bank Small Business Loan or a line of credit. So you got to have a type of relationship with TD Bank. And also, you have the highest transaction limits on any small business checking account. So up to 500 free items paid and or deposited, and up to 30,000 in cash deposits in store included per statement cycle. So that's kind of cool. So in terms of what you pay, minimum to open the deposit $200, the monthly maintenance fee $30, the first 3 statement cycle wait, and so no charge paid and or deposited items, and no charge cash deposits in store. So something to really think about. So besides the TD Business Premier checking account, you also have another account, and that's the TD Business Convenience Checking Plus account. Okay, and so you have all the essential account features you need to run your business. So you have a lot of flexibility. So you can waive the monthly fee with a $1,500 minimum daily balance between this account and a TD personal checking account. You can send money where it needs to go via ACH bill pay and wire transfers. You can pay with the confidence that you want, especially if you are a small business. So you can use the TD Visa Business Debit Card and continuous fraud monitoring. So that's actually a strong protocol that you have within the tool. Now, what do you get with this TD Business Convenience Checking Plus account? Well, you have all accounts within this checking account category include online and mobile banking with mobile deposit. So that's kind of cool, especially if you actually want to run your business on the go. And you can waive the monthly fee with a $1,500 minimum daily balance between this account and a TD personal checking account. You can send money where it needs to go, and you can pay with confidence. So that's kind of cool. Now, what do you pay? The minimum deposit to open, $100. The monthly maintenance fee, $25. And the minimum deposit to open, $100. Okay. And now, no charge paid and or deposited items, basically $500. So 50 cents for each item thereafter. And no charged cash deposits in store. So you have up to $5,000 for free and 30 cents per $100 thereafter. You do not earn, this account does not earn interest. And actually, there are no ATM fees at TD ATMs. Okay. You also have the TD overdraft relief. So you have the savings overdraft protection and small business overdraft protection line of credit. And this is kind of cool. And free with this account, you have online statements, TD mobile deposit, bank mobile deposit, and you also have a instant issue debit card. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. You will love that. Next, I want to share with you the TD Business Simple Checking Account. So I'm still talking to you about how to open a TD business account. First, you got to have a clear idea about the account that you need, the business account that you need. Okay. So besides TD Business Premier Checking, the TD Business Convenience Checking Plus, you also have the TD Business Simple Checking, and this is actually a business checking account with built-in professional invoicing. So that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. You'll love that. And you can send free professional invoices that customers can pay online. You can accept online credit card and ACH payments for a low per transaction fee. And you have a low $10 monthly fee. No minimum daily balance is required. Okay. So when you think about this card, this account, not a card, this account, we think this is an ideal account that helps you actually get you paid with no minimum balance requirements, and it's actually great if you are a sole proprietor. If you are a sole proprietor, or even you are even a single member LLC, you will love the card. And businesses with up to 4 signers can open an account online, so that's kind of cool in terms of flexibility. We love that. And now, what do you get? Well, you have all accounts include online banking and mobile banking with mobile deposit, plus payment options including ACH, bill pay, and wire transfers. And you have a low $10 monthly fee with no minimum balance requirements. You can send free professional invoices with an online payment option. You can accept online credit and ACH payments for a low per transaction fee, and you can replace your debit card on the spot at any TD Bank. Now, the minimum deposit to open $25. The monthly maintenance fee that's $10. This is not waivable. Now, there are no ways to waive this monthly fee. Now, no charge paid and or deposited items, $275 for each item thereafter. In terms of no charge cash deposits in store, you have up to $5,000 free, 30 cents per $100 thereafter. So it's something to really think about. And this account doesn't earn interest. So in terms of invoicing, you have no monthly service fee. You can accept credit card payments. You have a 3.49%. You can accept the fee for accepting ACH payments, 1.99%. For credit card payments, 3.49%. So in terms of a TD overdraft relief, you have savings overdraft protection and small business overdraft protection line of credit. And so that's kind of cool. And so there is actually there's what's free with this account. You have online statement, TD bank mobile deposit, and also in terms of additional benefits, you have an instant issue a debit card. So that's kind of important. The fourth account that I want to share with you is actually the TD Business Interest Checking Plus. So this account allows you to earn interest on your business deposit balances. So this is an ideal account if you maintain a higher balances. You can earn interest on your business deposit balances. So businesses with up to 4 signers can open an account online. So what do you get with this account? Well, you can earn interest while maintaining the easy access of a checking account. You're able to waive the monthly fee with a $2,500 minimum daily balance. You have up to 200 free items paid and or deposited included per statement cycle. And you have up to 5,000 in cash deposits in store included per statement cycle. So that's kind of cool. So the minimum deposit to open, $100. The monthly maintenance fee, $15. And there are ways to waive the monthly fee by maintaining a $2,500 minimum daily balance. What about no charge paid and or deposited items? Well, you have 200 and you have 50 cents for each item thereafter. What about no charge cash deposits in store? Well, up to $5,000 free and 30 cents per $100 thereafter. And here is a card, here is an account, if you will, that earns interest. And there are no ATM fees at TD ATMs. In terms of TD overdraft relief, you have savings overdraft protection and small business overdraft protection line of credit available. So that's kind of cool. And what about the the services that are free with this account? Well, online and paper statements, TD Bank mobile deposits are both free. So that's kind of cool. And additional benefits here, you have instant issue debit card. So that's pretty good in terms of flexibility. You'll love that. So the first thing you have to do, you have to choose your business, your TD Bank business checking account. Second, you have to really know what you get with the TD small business checking account because not all accounts are similar, but you have to really have a clear idea about the features you're getting. So all TD small business checking accounts come loaded with benefits including TD overdraft relief, online banking with access to accounts and payments, instant issue debit card, and 24/7 customer service and extended hours. And you also have merchant solutions. You have a TD online accounting. You have a TD business early pay. So that's kind of cool. So let's talk about the TD overdraft relief. You can manage your business with confidence thanks to a TD small business overdraft relief. You have options for when you don't have the funds to cover your transactions. Online banking, fantastic. So online banking and mobile banking with mobile deposit plus payment options including SCH, bill pay, and wire transfers. So you can set up sub users and permissions to tailor your account to your business needs. So that's kind of cool. You have an instant issue debit card. So lost or worn card. You can stop by a TD Bank near you and get a new business debit card on the spot. And 24/7 customer service and extended hours. So if you have any question, call 1-888-751-9000 and press 0 to talk to a real person 24/7. Plus, enjoy the convenience of extended hours at more than 1,100 TD Bank locations and connect with a local small business specialist to get customized solutions for your business. When we speak about merchant solutions, you can get your funds faster for next business day funding to a TD checking account, and you can also waive the monthly fee for TD Business Premier checking accounts, accept any type of payment, even contactless from anywhere. So that's kind of cool. And you are able to actually have a clear idea about your cash inflows and cash outflows. You can track sales, identify trends, report on customer segments, spending patterns, and more. And also, when I spoke to you about the business payment suite, basically, TD has the convenient payment solutions you need online, on the go, and in person. And in terms of the TD Business Early Pay, you can do more with your money. Receive eligible ACH payment up to 2 days early with TD Early Pay, no holds, fees, or enrollment. So that's kind of cool and very, very flexible too. Let's talk about what you need for account opening and loan application. So when you think about a TD business account, be prepared with the information and documents you will need to open your small business deposit account and or to apply for a loan or line of credit. So this helps verify your business and key individuals associated with it. Okay, and you got to have that. So to complete your application online or in person, you will need some basic information, including your legal business name and address, your tax ID number. So some business owners may use their social security number, especially if you have a sole proprietorship. You also got to have a valid driver's license, state issued ID, or a passport to validate your identity. You got to validate your identity. And if you plan to add other authorized signers, beneficial owners, and or individuals with control, you will need each person's name, physical address, phone number, date of birth, social security number, and a valid ID. And a job title is required for individual with control as applicable. Let's talk about the documents to open a deposit account. So for an online account opening, you'll need the following documents if applicable. So fictitious name, assumed name, DBA, trade name, certificate of or registration, the chapter and bylaws of association, or a copy of minutes of last meeting with new elected officers, You got to have also a partnership banking agreement. So during online account opening, less documents are required as TD Bank gathers documentation on your behalf to help confirm your business before they open your account. And for in-person account opening, you'll need the following documents if applicable. So fictitious name, assumed name, DBA, trade name, certification of or registration, chapter and bylaws of association, or a copy of minutes of last meeting with new elected officers, partnership banking agreement, document used to form and register your business, for example, articles of incorporation or organization, certificate of good standing, board of directors resolution or bylaws, and also LLC operating agreement. So you can use your mobile phone's camera to capture document image or upload a PDF when you open your account online. And if you open at a TD Bank, bring copies of your documents. And what about home-based business documentation? This is required for in-person account openings. So you have a TD Bank business deposit customer for more than 6 months, business open for more than 6 months, license for a trade business or a sales tax usage document, commercial vehicle registration with address that matches business home address. Business is listed on Home Advisor with matching contact information. Invoice or bill mailed to address in business name or in the name of the business owner. If the property is rented, property rental agreement. If property is owned, tax bill, mortgage statement, or other means of ownership verification. And you also have a driver's license matches business address. And the website exists and matches information given. IRS TIN number or TIN letter, personal pay stub with home address, most recent personal tax return, vehicle registration with home address, bank statements, and W-2s from employer or payroll provider with home address. Let's talk about who can open an account online. This is an important element to actually remember. So basically, businesses with up to 4 signers can open a checking, savings, or a money market account online. Any business owner can actually book an appointment at a local TD Bank to inquire about opening any deposit account. It's just a lot easier to do it at a TD branch, but if you want to do it online, not a problem. Now, here is the information on all beneficial owners or the individual with control. With control, it doesn't have to be 50%, it can be less than that. So if you open your deposit account or apply for your loan or line of credit at a TD Bank, you will need to provide a signed and completed certification form with information on all beneficial owners and the one individual with control. And if you open your account or apply online, this information will be gathered as part of your application. Now let's really define a little bit what we mean by beneficial owners. So each individual, if any, who owns directly or indirectly through any contract, arrangement, understanding, relationship, or otherwise, 25% or more of the equity interest of the legal entity. In other words, each natural person who owns 25% or more of the shares of the corporation. So this person can be considered a beneficial owner. There may be instances where you will be asked to provide this information on 10% owners. And what about individual with control? Let's talk about that now. One individual with significant responsibility for managing the legal entity, such as an executive officer or senior manager, for example, a CEO, CFO, a COO, a managing member, a general partner, a president, a vice president, a treasurer, or any other individual who regularly performs similar functions will be considered an individual with control. So that's an important. So when we talk about actually doing business with TD Bank, by the way, to open a TD Bank business account, your company has to be located in one of the few states where TD Bank operates, because TD Bank is not a national bank, so it is actually a regional bank. So TD Bank actually operates in Connecticut, in DC. You have Delaware, Florida, Massachusetts, Maryland, Maine, North Carolina, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina. You have Virginia and Vermont. So we're going to put this on the screen so you have a clear idea. So if your business is in those states, you qualify. If not, yeah. So let me repeat that. You have Connecticut, Washington D.C. You have Delaware, Florida, Massachusetts, Maryland, you have Maine, North Carolina, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Virginia, and Vermont. So those are the states where TD is actually present. So here are our ending remarks. So in today's conversation, I spoke to you about how to open a TD business account. I'll give you the general considerations. I explained to you how to choose your business checking account, what you get with a TD small business checking account, what you need for account opening and loan application, and who can open an account online. And now the ending remarks. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.